Hi Kg1, how are you? I missed you. I hope you are doing well. From these pictures, who can guess what's today's lesson? Yeah, it's about animal, but which animal? Think. Okay, we call it the farm animals, okay? Farm animals. First of all, our new unit called What Do Farm Animals Do? What's the meaning of farm animal, KG? Who knows? Yes, it's an animal that did not attack other animals or people. What else? What else? We can get benefit from it. Bravo. What else? They are eating grass. Good job. I'm very proud of you. So the farm animals is eating grass. They did not attack people or another animal. And we can get a benefit from it. What's the meaning of benefit? Yes, to get something positive from this animal. Let's see how do we get benefit from the farm animals. Cow, first of all, cow, okay? We keep it, it's a large animal, first of all. We keep it on farms to produce milk or meat or beef. Beef is the same of the meat, but the meat of the cow, we say it beef. We call it beef. Okay? Now we will talk about the donkey. The donkey is an animal of the horse family with a short legs. Look at its legs. Short legs, right? And it has long ears. It's often kept for riding on it or to carry heavy loads. We can carry a heavy load on it or riding on it. Now we will talk about the horse, the third animal, the third farm animal. A large animal that is often kept to ride on or to pull carriages. What's the meaning of carriage? It means a small room that important people sat on, but in the past, okay? Important people sat on. Goat, an animal that is often kept for its milk or meat. So let's make a small revision. We talked about the cow. Why do we keep it? Yes, for its milk or for its meat. What do we call the meat of the cow? Beef, bravo. What is the second animal that we talked about? Donkey. Why do we keep the donkey? To carry a heavy load or what? Yes, to ride on it. Bravo. And we talked about the horse. Bravo. Why do we keep the horse? Why? Why do we keep it? Who can tell me? To pull the carriages, yes, and what? Yes, to ride on it. The goat, and the fourth animal we talked about it, the goat, right? The goat, we said we keep it for what? Its meat. We can keep it for its meat or milk, right? We can keep it for its meat or milk. Now we will talk about the chicken. The chicken is a large bird, okay? We keep it for its egg or meat. We can eat its egg. Delicious, it's very delicious. Or we can eat its meat. Now we will talk about the sheep, okay? The sheep is an animal with a thick coat. Thick coat. What's the meaning of coat? This is its coat. The thing that cover it. Coat. This is a coat. The thing that is covering it. Yes. Okay. We keep the sheep because of meat, because of the meat or the milk. Bravo. We can get a benefit, a milk or a meat. Okay? And we can get another benefit. Do you know what? Its coat. We can make a carpet from its coat. Bravo. Let's sing for the farm animals. Before we start singing, let's make a small, quick revision. We talked about cow, donkey, horse, yes, goat, sheep, right? Okay, let's sing for the animals, for the farm animals, I mean. Hey, Old MacDonald.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
A ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack.
An oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink
A
oink.
ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
Moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack.
An oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink
A
oink.
ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, KG. Now you will have a homework. You have to trace the words on our student's book, especially page 75, and you have to color and count the animals on page 61 from the activity book. Please do your homework and send it as soon as possible. I will be waiting for you, okay? Thank you.